Hello everyone. Today we will learn about classification of computers. We all know that computer is an electronic machine which works very fast. But computers are available in different shapes, sizes and weights. We choose computer according to our work. Computers are classified into two categories. First is according to purpose and second category is according to size. Computers are divided according to their shapes, sizes and working. Let's learn the first category, that is according to purpose. In according to purpose, computers can be divided into three categories. First is analog computer, digital computer and the last is hybrid computer. Let's understand each of them one by one. First is analog computer. These types of computers take different inputs and after comparing all the inputs, it gives us an approximate results. Some examples of analog computer are clinical thermometer, speedometer, scale machine, voltmeter and fuel gauge. All these machines give us an approximate results. Next is digital computer. These types of computers work on the principle of binary mathematics. Binary means 0 and 1. 0 means false and 1 means true. Some examples are microcomputer, laptop, digital wrist watch and calculator. All these machines work on binary mathematics. And the last is hybrid computer. These computers are the combination of both analog computer and digital computers. These computers are used to perform complex calculations. Example of hybrid computer is an ECG machine, which is used in hospitals to measure heartbeat of a patient. Second category of computer is according to size. In according to size, computers can be divided into 5 groups. First is supercomputer, second mainframe computer, third server, fourth microcomputer and the last is mobile device. Supercomputers. They are the biggest, powerful and most expensive computers. They can do complex calculations in a second. We find them in big organizations. We use them for weather forecasting, nuclear power station. Cray 1 is the first supercomputer. Mainframe computer. They are also big, powerful and expensive computer but less than supercomputer. They were developed by IBM company. These types of computers are found in large business house or government centers and are used for scientific research and mathematical operations. Server. They are known as the lifeblood of other network because they provide data to other computer. They are found in school, bank, offices, etc. Microcomputer. They are the smallest computers and known as personal computers. It has a microprocessor which is the brain of computer and can be found in offices, homes and schools for creating documents and doing calculations. Microcomputers are of two types. First is desktop computers. They are small computers and placed on table or desk. We can see these types of computers in schools, offices and shops. Second is notebook computer. They are basically the laptop computers which are small in size and light in weight. We can carry them easily from one place to another. And the last type of computer according to size is mobile device. They are special type of computer in which we can store data permanently on memory. They are so small that we can carry it in pocket to any place. Nowadays everyone is using it. We have 6 types of mobile devices: tablet PC, smartphone, e-book, smartwatch, digital camera and game console. Let's understand each of them one by one. Tablet PC. They are the notebook computers with touch screen. They are small in size. Smartphones. Nowadays, we all are using smartphones. They have calling facility, internet facility. We can send and receive emails, chat, play music, click pictures, etc. using these phones. Next is e-book reader. E-book reader means electronic book. It is a device which we can use anywhere to read book online. It is an electronic version of a book. Smart watch. You all must have seen smartwatch which has touch screen, can show time and notifications of any message, emails or chat. Nowadays, everyone is using smartwatch and they are easily worn on wrist. Digital camera. This device allows us to click pictures and stores directly into the computer. We save the pictures in computer so that we can use them in future. Game console. This type of device is designed for single player or multiplayer video games. Any number of players can play. Some popular game consoles are Microsoft Xbox 360, Nintendo Wii and Sony PlayStation 4. Game consoles uses input device as hand controller, output device as TV screen, storage device as hard disk, optical devices and memory card. Hope the classification of computer is clear to you all. Thank you everyone. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.